Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. My name is Mina Salman and I am a beauty blogger and a beauty influencer based in UAE, Dubai, and I am very passionate about skincare, in fact honest skincare, and I've been working on providing skincare education and the right skincare techniques for many years. So I know a lot of time we girls focus a lot on the skin and on our face, which is very important, but let's not forget the fact that the skin on our body also needs a lot of pampering and a lot of care. So today I decided that I will share a nice healthy body routine with all of you so that you girls can take care of the skin on your body. And let's not forget the fact that today's video is brought to you in collaboration with Life Pharmacy Middle East, and they have shared some amazing products with me, so I will be guiding you everything about these products. So when we talk about the skin on our body, it's very important that we shower and cleanse our skin thoroughly. A lot of times girls get confused that do we have to take shower every day. Yes, you can take shower every day or every alternate day depending on your your activities. Like I work out every day, so it's very important for me that I have to take shower every day. So again, it's your personal choice. So when we talk about taking shower, it's very important to take care of our skin and go for the products which are very healthy and very moisturizing. Especially there are a lot of body washes available in the market. I would like to share with all of you, this is a very nice it's a shower gel. It's called as a Hydra Protective by this brand Ederma. So it's really going to give your body that kind of moisture, and it's not going to dry out the skin on your body while taking shower. So a lot of times girls get confused about whether we should scrub our body or not. Please make sure that the skin on our body also does not enjoy a lot of scrubbing, but if you really need mild scrubbing, like maybe once in 2 months, I will really suggest for all of you to try this Sukin Coffee Energizing Body Scrub. It is available at Life Pharmacy Middle East, and it's not very harsh. It's gently going to exfoliate on your skin. So after coming out from the shower, it's very important that we immediately start hydrating the skin on our face also and the skin on our body. So for that you can go for any sheet mask. This is my personal choice for a sheet mask. So this is my trick with sheet mask, that whenever you straight come off out from the shower, just apply a sheet mask, and the remaining serum you can apply on all over your body. Even you can apply the serum on your hair also, so your hair, your body, your face, everything is going to be very gently hydrated. Need some kind of body mousse because your skin needs that extra pampering. I have chosen this Cake Deserted Island. It's a body mousse, and it has a very nice soft texture that you can apply all over your body. Times we girls face from lot of issues, and one of those issues which I want to talk about is body odor. I know this issue is very big for few of us, but it's very important to understand that body odor is not a shame. It's nothing to worry about, because if you take care of your body odor, it's definitely going to go away. And a lot of times we have these kind of products available in the market, the deodorants that have a lot of aluminum and a lot of harsh chemicals in it, so it really triggers sensitivity in a lot of girls. So I will really recommend a deodorant, natural deodorant from one of my favorite natural skincare brands, which is called as Sukin. So this is my favorite natural deodorant. It has a very mild smell, and absolutely it is free from artificial colors or sulfates or parabens or silicons, and it is available at Life Pharmacy Middle East. So a must try from my end. Please, it's an amazing product. So moving on, if your body is very dry, and especially before going to bed, it's very important that you put some kind of oil. This is certified organic rosehip oil by this brand called as Sukin. So with rosehip oil, it's very important that you can put it all over your body, your feet also, and you can put your socks on for your feet so that your feet will get hydrated. But one more thing with rosehip oil is that you can apply it on your cuticles also. So a lot of times we girls face a lot of dry cuticles at start. So if you are not a huge fan of oils, rosehip oil, I love applying oils on my nails, but in case you need a lighter option, I can suggest this heavy cream by this brand called as Cake. It has shea butter, and it is very rich, and it's very hydrating for your body. So do go and try this, and you can find this at Life Pharmacy Middle East website. which I really want to talk about is that unfortunately I do not have that product with me. But when you have applied all your body butters and creams, and if you are heading out and it's a daytime, please do not forget to apply a body sunscreen all over your body, or a spray sunscreen before you go out, because a lot of times we apply sunscreen on our face but we do forget that the skin on our body that's getting direct sunlight or direct sun exposure, it needs a lot of sunscreen also. So you can go on Life Pharmacy Middle East and you can get your favorite sunscreen. I think a lot of sunscreens are on discount also. So girls, this is it from my side. I hope you enjoyed my today's video, and don't forget to check out Life Pharmacy. They are having amazing sales, and if you have any questions, you can come on my blog and you can share your thoughts in the comment section. Have a great day all of you. Bye girls.